Call this video cleaning windows on a shitty day. Let's do it. A little tip. Today I will travel 150 miles for my whole entire route of commercial storefront work today. This is the only day out of 4 weeks that I do this. We only do this because when we acquired the businesses that I go to, it was a lot at one time, so it made it worth it. Never, never, never search out work that is an hour or hour and a half away from your primary area. It's not worth it. If you find that you are traveling 150 miles once a week or 2 times a week, you're not doing something right. And I would really reassess your routes. You want to keep your routes close to you. I would say the furthest you really want to travel is like 30 to 40 minutes. Just an idea. Couple hours into the day, 3 hours into the day actually.
Use the left lane to keep left to merge onto I-25 South.
Merging on that one. And it's still a shitty day out. It's more of like a light drizzle though, so I'm still getting the work done. But it's not really hitting the glass. But I would say customers are looking at me a little weird. Want to see the worst windows ever? Okay, not ever, but these can suck. Sorry for the cussing, but this is what I do on them. just get it as wet as I can here. And I just take a little 10-inch Unger. And straight pull it. There's no reason to feel like you need to fan this. No reason at all. To fan this is just stupid. I know some guys will be like, oh, you need to feel the window. Got a few more sets to go here. These type of windows, I use this ledger. This is, I think, the 7-inch swivel ledger. It came with this built in, so it's never snapped to me. I've had it for 4 years. And it works perfect for stuff like this. There's just a little bit of a ledge there, and this makes it a little easier on your shoulder to be able to make that possible. Still snowing. Real shitty day. Alrighty, time for some McDonald's. So good. Do you know what cheeseburgers? Large fry, large Coke. I'm gonna eat that and then I'll get back to you. Weather update. Still snowing. I'm gonna be driving about 30 minutes south and I hope for it to stop or else my day's done. Alrighty, so we're at my last job of the day, and it actually cleared up. Kind of cleared up. It's raining a little bit now, but a lot better than it was this morning. And I got my last job here. Right over here, I just do the lowers in this one building, so it should be done here pretty quick. And just want to thank you guys for watching, and I just want to do a little product review real quickly. I think you guys have heard about this product before on other guys' channels, but I've been testing it out a lot. It's not just freshly new out of the package. This is the facelift, what do they call this? Fish scale towel. No, it's not part of fish window cleaning, but you see, I've used it a lot today. I've used it all day long, and my biggest test about it was to use it on a day where it was really cold, and we all know when it's really cold, the towel's never dry. I've been able to use this all day, and it's been able to detail perfectly. So I would definitely suggest, if you haven't got them, to go get one. I do use those in conjunction with, you know, surgical towels, which I do love, and then I also use a big, kind of large to medium-sized bath towel. So that's kind of it, and I'll leave you guys with a little bit of cleaning here, and we'll see you guys later.